I'm Arif Shafi, a textile engineer with the specialization in weaving by profession. I'm in industry from last 23 years, 7 years in Nishat and about 15 years in Kohinoor Mills. We are using Genkinger products from last many years, about start of my career, and we are very happy from Genkinger, their services, their reliability, their after-sales services, their R&D, always very good. And transportation devices are very essential, very important to help increase the efficiency in the industry. So I recommend you to use Genkinger and wish you all the best, Genkinger team. Thank you very much.